Good morning, students. So today we will study lesson number 7, letters with two sounds. So let's start. Letters with two sounds. Some English letters have two sounds. One sound of C is like that of K. The other sound of C is like that of S. So students, in English letters, some letters have two sounds. For example, C. We can pronounce C in K also, and we can pronounce C in S also. So C can be pronounced in two sound. So likewise, many examples are given. Let's see one by one. All of you listen carefully and repeat after me. Sound of C as K. Coffee, crown, crop, crane. Next one is sound of C as S. Cell, circle, circus, cycle. So this one is the sound of C. Now let's see the sound of G. Sound of G. G can be sound in G also and J also. Number one is sound of G as G. Grapes, globe, gum, girl. Next one, sound of G as J. Jam, giraffe, germ, gel. Next one, S can be sound as S and Z. Sound of S as S. School, soap, sun, sea. Sound of S as Z. Rose, goose, nose, eraser. Next one is sound of U. Open sound of U. Cup, mug, sun, gun. This one is the open sound of U. Sound of U as Y. Uniform, urinal, unicycle, utensil. Next one is sound of W as V. Watch, wheel, well, wolf. And the next sound of W is as U. Dew, mew, sew, stew. Next one is non-vowel sound of Y. Yak, you, yach, yarn. And the last one is sound of Y as I. Cry, fly, sky, ply. So these are some examples of English letter which have two sound. So now I will give you some homework. So students, this one is your homework. Number one is write the sound of G, S, Y and U. Number A, germ. In germ, sound of G as, sound of G is as. Rose, sound of S as. Fly, sound of Y as. Uniform, sound of U as. So you have to fill this one. Next one is give some example of non-vowel sound of Y. You have to give some example, give three example of non-vowel sound Y. For example, yak, you, like this, you give three example. Number 3, give some example of open sound of U. Give now some example, give three example of open sound of U. Open sound of U, for example, cup, mug. Write down this. Okay, so write with a nice handwriting and submit it. Thank you and have a nice day.